Imagine yourself earning $20,000 a month utilizing ChatGPT and AI. Even if you consider yourself to be lazy, this is the best way to make money online right now without having to do the heavy lifting because AI is going to do that for us. My name is Ryan Borden. Let's jump in and take a look. Can you actually earn $20,000 a month with ChatGPT and AI? Well, let me show you. Here is our Stripe account. This is the past 4 weeks, $64,000. If we roll to the past 3 months, we can see $457,000. In the past 12 months is, I don't know, 1.216. I don't even know how to say that million dollars. $1.2 million, right? But if we look at the past 4 weeks, this is a month, 28 days technically, $64,000. I said you could earn $20,000. That is less than 1/3 of what we are currently earning. And this doesn't even include PayPal. I'm not saying this to brag. This isn't bragging at all. I want you to understand that it is actually possible. It's not magic. It's not going to happen tomorrow. You're not going to push a button and retire on the beach. You got to learn some stuff and do some stuff, but you can definitely earn $20,000 a month. Are you committed to success? The question of the day is very important because if you're not committed, then you might as well not even start. So if you're committed, drop me a yes down in the comments right now that you're showing me and yourself that you're willing to do what it takes to actually earn money online so that I can show you methods like this that help you earn money. So drop me a yes down in the comments right now. Just pause the video, show that you're committed, and let's jump into this. So how do you actually make $20,000 a month? Well, here's the strategy. I'm going to show it to you. It's pretty basic. The strategy is you got to get some views on a video. This is going to be a short form video like YouTube, TikTok, that sort of thing. Then we're going to get some traffic because we're going to put a link in the video. Once people click on the link, they're going to be taken to a place where we can capture their email address, which is called a squeeze page or a landing page. Then we're going to utilize the CRM. If you don't know what that is, drop a link or drop a message in the comments. I'll explain it. But the CRM is going to send them emails every single day with the products that you have, that you're offering. And if you don't have products, that's okay. You can just go to this website here and get the list of companies that will pay you to promote their products with this free checklist. Lastly, the emails are going to give them a link that they're going to click on and buy. They buy, you get paid. So how do you get buyers in the first place? Obviously, you got to sell some stuff to make some money online. How do you get buyers to do that? Well, you're going to take a video. So you can take, I did Jasper. It's an affiliate program. And you can grab a video that's working, grab the transcript from that video. You're just going to grab the transcript from the actual video. We're not going to steal their work. We're not going to plagiarize. We're going to pop that transcript into ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite it. ChatGPT will go to work and give us a whole new script because the script and what to say is the hardest part, being creative. So once we have our ChatGPT script, we can literally just read it off line by line, replicate the video, post it up, and at the end of it, put a link, and now we are getting views and traffic to our offers. So how do you actually get the traffic from your videos that you're making to your landing page? Because we want to capture their email, of course, so that we can send them emails with the CRM automation system. If you're not familiar with what a CRM is, just ask that in the comments and I'm happy to help. But we need a redirect link that we put in the video that redirects them to the landing page. And so, of course, we're going to have to register a link. Google Domains is the place to do that. You can use other places, but Google's the best because they give you an SSL certificate. Otherwise, you need to use Cloudflare, which is complicated. When you register a Google domain, you're going to roll here to forward your domain to another website. You're going to put in the URL of the landing page, and then you're going to click on the advanced options here and go down and make sure you turn SSL on and click forward. And then people that click the link in your video will now land where you want them to land on your CRM. But what about the landing page and how does that make money in the first place? Well, remember, we're of course making short form videos to get them to click a link in the video for a redirect, and we want them to land on a landing page like so. And the reason for that is so we can capture their email address, because the email address is super important because now we can market to them every day instead of just the one time. What happens when they enter their email address? The system, the CRM, if you're not sure what a CRM is, drop that down in the comments and I'll be happy to explain it. But the CRM is going to send them emails like this based off of a delay, just like so. So day 1, day 2, day 3. Every single day, all year long. What is it going to do? It's going to send them a link to click on the link. When they sign up for that product that's in that email that day, you get paid. Okay, so but why are we using a CRM to make money in the first place? Well, because when they click the link in the video that you make, You can have them click a link and go straight to your product, your affiliate products, whatever, services. But if they buy, that's great. But most people don't buy until at least 7 times. That's the rule of 7. You can look it up on the internet, on Google. And it basically just says that prospects need to hear an advertiser's message at least 7 times before they take action and buy the service or the product. What that means is, if they click the link in your video and they don't buy, you're out of luck, because only a few percentage of people will. You want to capture their emails so that every single day you can send them emails all year long. And that's the way that you can market to them 7 times and 14 times, etc. So that enables you to make more money. So we need to send emails to make money. We agree on that because that's the way that we make the most money, because when someone watches the video, clicks the link, we're going to send them an email every single day to make all the money. But I get this question all the time, like, who's going to write all these emails? I don't know how to write all this content. Well, it's actually pretty easy. You're going to get a ton of emails written that are going to get sent out every day. But where do you get them? Well, AI, of course. Chat GPT is going to fly through writing out all of these emails, complete with subject lines and the emails, and all you have to do then is copy the emails, insert your link right here where it says click here to find out more about the product. You insert your link, you copy, you paste them into the CRM, insert your link, someone clicks on the link, you get paid. So we know that the way to make money is to make videos, get people to click the links, grab the email address, and use the CRM to send them emails. However, what we don't know is, what if you don't have products or services? So I get this all the time too. I don't have my own products or services. That's fine. You don't have to. You can go here to this website and get this free checklist of tools that will pay you to promote their products. When you click on each tool and you go down to the bottom of the tool, there's going to be an affiliate program. Just like this down at the bottom, you click on it, you apply to be a partner. Once you're approved, you log in, you get stats, but you also get this link right here. That's the link that you're going to put in the emails in the CRM that someone can click on, because when they click on it and they go here and they sign up and convert to a paid customer, you get paid. So how do you actually get to $20,000 a month though? Because that's kind of significant income. I mean, it's not like we're talking like this is a $150 a week side hustle. $20,000 a month, that's beyond full-time income for a lot of jobs. I mean, that's $240,000 a year. So rinsing and repeating the basic methods is how you're going to get it, plus reoccurring commissions. So what does that mean? Just right quick. One, this is a list of tools, of course, that will pay to promote their products. Once you're selling one and set it all up in the automation CRM, then you're going to sell each one of them. So part of it is rinse and repeat and duplication by selling additional products and letting the CRM sell those all year long and driving traffic with your short form videos. The other side of that is that there's reoccurring commissions on some products, and that's how we get into payouts that come every single month, $2,000, $3,000 here. And when you start stacking things up, that's how you can get to, in 4 weeks time, $60,000 and so on and so forth. So you want to earn at least $20,000 a month. And how do you do it? You can see here $64,000, of course. The way that you do it is, of course, get the list of tools that will pay you to promote their products at this website here. But then you're going to go to the yellow bar here and join the free Facebook group. Very important, because you can ask questions and get among other like-minded people. But the ultimate way to do it is get the full system just by going to this website right here, and you can jump into the live classes that are twice a week. And I will see you in the next live class. And until then, happy earning.